0.0.0.0. That is what you are telling the router in a statement or in a command. So you can use this format, you can use this the exit interface name, or you can use the next hop IP address. They're all the same. Alright, with default static route you only need one statement, very simple statement. That's just this one. Now check your routing table, show IP route, wow, the gateway of last resort, you see that it says gateway of last resort is 00000 to 00 to the network 0. So everything, you can send this packet to anywhere, because you do not even specify the next hop. If you specify the next hop IP address, it will tell you that all packets will have to go through that next hop IP. You use the exit interface. Even if you have other routes there, it will forward to them. So, but if you see, you have a static with asterisk, is a candidate of default. So if you look here, you can see that asterisk here tells you that that route is a candidate of default. So it's a default static route that we have just configured. So that's how you configure default static route. So you have to go to router 2 also and configure a similar thing also. We just go down there and say IP route 0.0.0.0, sorry about that, 0.0.0.0, and then we put 0.0/0/0. We are good. So now let me ping. I can put do ping. I put this command do because I'm not in the right mode to ping. I'm supposed to be in privilege mode, so I just want to ping that address 192.168.1.1 to see if I can reach it. Yeah, everything is good. So let's get rid of this static route, default static route also, and then we go do something else. We're gonna do now to summary static route. So how to remove the command is that simple. You just put no before the command and then you are safe. Okay, that is my static route. I press Ctrl A. My cursor comes to the beginning or the start of the command. I put no and then I am good. Alright, what next? R1 config. So I am good. Now I am going to do a summary static route. Now I am going to summarize this these two networks, 3.0 and 4.0 network. When I summarize them, I will know what network I'm going to use to advertise this. So what am I going to do here is that 3 and 4, they fall in a different space. So my last machine bit is going to be at 8. So my network would be my summarized network. Let me write this one. The summarized network for these two would be 192.168.0.0 slash that is 421/21. Okay, alright, that's why it's /21. And if I summarize these two, I'm going to use also, is it /21 or what? Because this is 2 and 1, 4 is not there, so this one is going to be /22. So this one will be 192.168.0.0/22. Okay guys, so because this one is 3 and this one is 4, so if I put them 4 and 3, 3 will be 2 and 1, and then 4 will be 4, and you have 1 and 2 and 1 will be 0. So the last margin bit there will be 8, and here also the last margin bit will be 4. I don't know if you understand that one, but that's how I show you guys how to summarize. So basically on router 1 I am going to summarize this network, and on router 2 I am going to summarize this now. So that's how I'm going to do it. Okay, that's the second to last thing that we're going to do. Sorry about that. I'm already in global mode. IP route 192.168.0.0 255.255.25, not 255, 248. Yeah, is it not that way? Yeah, 248. Then we'll use the 209.165. You can use anything. You can use the 202. What did happen here? Oh, I did not provide all the 255s. I just put 3 octets. So let me put here. I am good. So that's a summary static route. I have to do similar thing here on router 2, summarizing that network on the left. Alright guys, so not configure terminal, I'm already there. IP route 192.168.0.0 sorry, 55.2, 55.2, 55.252, because that one is decided to run. I did something wrong with my previous one. This one was supposed to be 252.0. I'll go back to what I did just now because I did something wrong there. I hope you guys paid. I hope you guys, sorry about that. I hope you guys did not pick that. I'll go back there to router 1. I've done something wrong at router 1, so I'll have to check that out. 200.1. Oh, router 1, I'm sorry, I've done something wrong to you, so I'll have to sort you out. I gave a wrong subnet mask. This one is not good, so I'm gonna have to repeat that again. Put no here, and then the command comes up. Instead, I need this one all out and .0. Alright, so this is good. Alright guys, so I can say do ping 192.168.2.1 sorry, 3.1. Alright, everything is good. Now let's check the routing table. Do show IP route. I'm using this do command simply because like I said, I do not want to go back to the privilege mode. I just want to be at any mode to do this. So you can see there is only one route. There's only one static route statement. In our previous static route statement there were 2 S's. If you watch it back, you will see that there are 2 S's here in the routing table. Now we only have 1 S, and it's telling you that that network with administrative distance of 1. Okay, somebody asked me to talk about this administrative distance. Administrative distance is telling the router how trustworthy a particular route is. Okay, for instance, you are in you are going to Westfield. The number of people that you may ask, or the number of information that you will need for maybe directional information to get to Westfield, the lower it is, the better your chances are to reach at Westfield. The higher it is, the higher your risk of reaching Westfield is. So you have to know that the administrative distance is how trustworthy is this route, and metric is how far is the distance, the measurable distance. So that's what this administrative. So 2 routes with the same administrative distance, the router will be forced to